If you're looking for a way to monitor visitor behavior on your website and turn that data into actionable insights, Proof Analytics is exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage Proof Analytics to track how your visitors interact with your site, why it matters, and how to use these insights to drive conversions and improve your overall marketing strategy. First, let's dive into how you can easily track your visitors using Proof Analytics. This software allows you to collect data about user behavior on your website in real time. You can see how users interact with different elements on your site, whether they're clicking buttons, scrolling through pages, or engaging with content. This kind of data is crucial for understanding what's working and what's not. By knowing where users are engaging the most, you can optimize your pages to make those key areas more effective. What sets Proof Analytics apart is its ability to segment visitors based on their behavior. You can categorize users into different groups. For example, people who are highly engaged versus those who seem to be bouncing off the page quickly. These insights give you a deeper understanding of your audience and allow you to target specific groups with tailored content and offers. It's a game changer when it comes to personalizing the user experience. One of the coolest features of Proof Analytics is its ability to create social proof notifications. These are pop-up notifications that show real-time actions from other visitors, like John from Texas just signed up, or Sarah just made a purchase. This builds trust and encourages more visitors to take similar actions. By displaying proof of activity, you increase credibility and convert visitors into customers more effectively. Proof also allows you to set up A/B testing. This means you can experiment with different variations of your website and see which performs best. Whether it's changing a headline, tweaking a call to action button, or modifying a color scheme, Proof gives you the tools to track how those changes impact user behavior. This is a powerful feature for making data-driven decisions that result in better conversions. But let's not forget about tracking goals. With Proof Analytics, you can define specific goals you want to achieve, such as increasing email signups, product purchases, or downloads. The software will monitor your visitors and show you how close you are to hitting those goals, which helps you stay on top of your performance and make adjustments where necessary. The best part is that you can get started with Proof Analytics completely free. By using the link below, you'll gain access to an exclusive bonus, an extended trial, so you can truly explore all the features this software offers. If you're serious about improving your website's performance, this tool is worth checking out. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. Proof Analytics gives you the power to monitor visitor behavior, analyze real-time data, and implement strategies that convert. Don't just guess what works on your site. Use Proof Analytics to get clear, actionable insights that can boost your marketing efforts. So if you're ready to dive into the world of visitor behavior analysis, grab your extended free trial today through the link below. You won't regret seeing how Proof Analytics can take your website to the next level.